took everything I had. You tore it all apart. But baby, don't you touch my scarred guitar.
What's up, guys? My name's Sean. If you landed here, you're watching Scar My Guitar. Today I'm going to answer a couple of the most asked questions on the channel. The number one question that I get asked is, do I work at Pizza Hut? Come on, man, are you serious? I've got this hat because my kid gave it to me. I told him I'd wear it till the seams fell off of it. Well, we're getting pretty close to that. We'll be swapping hats here soon. The second most asked question I get on the channel is, where do you get your wood from? Well, that's a pretty good question because I get it from a couple of different places. If I want one solid piece of wood for my body blank, I only go to one place. And that's Classic Tone Woods on eBay. Now we're going to open up this box before we go discussing who won these guitar kits. Now of course there's a link in the description, but let's quit lip flapping. Let's make it happen. Full disclosure, I purchased one of these and he gave me one for a shout out. But I've already bought this guy's stuff many times, so I already know it's good. Now he sent me one solid piece of outer. That's going to be this guy. Boy, look at that. That's a nice piece, look. Look how thick it is. One good solid chunk of powder right there. Look at this piece of maple. Wow. Look at that. Look at that thing. I don't know if we're going to chop this up and make some book matches out of it. Oh yeah, I just want to tell you, David Wallace, you're one of the winners, man. We loved your comment. Guitar Kit World told me for you to email them at support@guitarworld.com. And you will have to prove who you are to them. But go ahead and shoot them an email. They'll get that kit right over to you. You made it in the video this far. Stick with me. We got one more winner. Yeah, we're probably going to cut this up into some book matches. But as for this beautiful chunk of outer, now you guys have been asking me, hey Sean, please, would you please, for the love of God, please build a guitar using minimal amount of tools. So my next video, we're going to start it. It's going to be a 5-part, 6-part series, so you don't have to watch the whole thing at once. We'll do the neck, the body, all in separate, wiring everything in separate videos, so you can watch it in pieces. Maybe you want to build your guitar along with me. Robert Sheffield, you're the second winner of the guitar kit. Like I said, email support@guitarworld.com. When it comes to buying wood for the guitar that you're going to build, you always want to make sure the wood's good and dry. I've always been told that it has to be dry somewhere between 6 to 8%. Now it could be air dried, kiln dried, sun dried. A lot of people dry their wood different ways. This wood right here is air dried. It's around 7%, he said, and I believe it because it's very light. So this whole piece is probably about 4.5 pounds, maybe 5 pounds. So when you cut your body out, you're gonna have 3.5 pound body. You just want to make sure the wood's nice and dry. And if you don't, well, you'll see why you should. That's gonna be it for this one, guys, and I really appreciate you watching. Now hang on just a dang minute. Guitar Kit World asked me to tell you guys about another contest they got going on. Are you guys subscribed to Addicted to Gear? Because he's gonna be hosting the next giveaway for him. If you didn't win today, go on over there and shoot your luck over there. It's the same rules, same everything. Alright, that's what's up. But until next time, don't you touch my Scar guitar.